Boom, boom. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Jeremy, and this one is abdominal exercises for bigger people. We're gonna cover a few abdominal exercises you can do if you have a bigger body type. Everybody can't get into all the positions, so this particular series is gonna be designed for all body sizes. Tall, short, if you're a little bit bigger, or if you have some mobility issues, this is for you. All right, let's get started. The first one we're gonna do is a basic plank position, a very basic plank. So to do this one, you're gonna start off on all fours, put your palms down under your shoulders. You're gonna start on your knees and straighten your legs out. This is your plank position. Flex your abdominal muscles here, flex your arms, flex your legs, and you'll start to feel this working your abdominal muscles here. You're gonna hold this for about 10 seconds or as long as you can, maybe 30 seconds, and then bring the knees down. What you may find you have to do with this one, if you're just getting started, is come into the plank position, bring the knees up for maybe just a second or two, and then bring the knees back down. Come up and bring the knees down. So you may have to do this for a few rounds until your abdominal muscles get strong enough to hold the plank for a full amount of time, which might be 30 seconds to a minute. Now, the time that you stay in the plank is gonna vary on your fitness level and how strong your core muscles are. The second one we're gonna do here is a leg raise. We're gonna do two different versions of this leg raise. This is one that you can do right when you wake up in the morning in your bed. So just lie on your back for this one. Start with the legs straight, palms down next to the body. With each exhale, just bring the knees up and straighten the legs. Opposite knee and straighten. Doesn't look like much, but each time you bring the knee up, you're contracting your lower abdominal muscles, mid-abdominal muscles, and your upper abdominals with each one of these knee raises. It's gonna seem easy at first, but once you get to repetition number 10, you'll start feeling it. Just bring the knees up towards the hip and then straight again. Now, the second variation of this is to bring both knees up and straighten them out again. So again, both knees and straight. That's the exhale here and the inhale. Exhale, inhale. So both legs up and straight. You'll definitely start feeling that in your hip flexor as well. Third movement we're gonna do. You're just gonna bring your heels down under your knees. Bring your arms out to the side. And just let your knees float to the right side, back to the center, and to the left. Do that again. Bring them to the right, and then to the left. To the right, control the movement, and to the left. So we got 3 movements there for you to get that core going. Again, all 3 of these you can do in your bed. Well, the last 2 you can do it in the bed. The plank you're gonna wanna do on a flat surface or on the floor. If you can't do the plank on the floor for a long time, don't sweat it. Just do 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and then work your way up to 30 seconds. And again, use that knee variation on the plank. Well, I'll throw a recap here at the end of all these exercises so you can follow them through again. Watch the video a couple times through, do the exercises, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Hope you like this video. We'll see you soon. Boom, boom.